Yeah, no, think of it. Life has been around for 3.5 billion years, 3,500 million years. It's an immense amount of time. There has never, in all that time, been a species so capable of changing the Earth's surface, of intervening globally upon its climate, of wiping others out to the extent that human beings have done. Now, all of this is the product of just a few thousand years, because even 10,000 years ago, there was no human culture that was on a global scale, altering the Earth very much. You sort of took 5 to 10,000 years. You can't even measure that geologically. That's just an instant. And basically what it's done is it's imposed a very different system of change upon nature. You've had this very inefficient Darwinian system. Darwin is a very inefficient system because you've got this two-step process of variation, and then natural selection imposes itself upon the variation. But human cultural evolution is enormously more powerful. It's not confined to one species, it's not as widespread, but it's powerful because it's Lamarckian. What you learn in one generation, you teach directly to your children. And that doesn't happen in nature. The reason why natural evolution is so slow is whatever happens to you in your lifetime doesn't have a particle of difference, doesn't change your genetic structure. You have to wait for the lucky small-scale variation. But as soon as you have a Lamarckian system operating, which occurs in cultural evolution, where anything you invent or learn or discover immediately accumulates and gets passed on, you have this powerful accumulative mechanism that doesn't exist in nature. And then on top of that, you have the possibility of joining lineages. When one culture invents something, other cultures can get it. In nature, when one species develops something, it can't transfer it to anyone else. Each species is its own unique entity, and there's interaction, but there's never amalgamation. Whereas in human culture, you have this complex reticulation. So I think for those two reasons, the Lamarckian character of the accumulative inheritance of knowledge and technology, and this reticulating property of discovery and invention, cultural evolution is so fast. I mean, in a microsecond, something you couldn't measure in Darwinian terms, the whole surface of the planet,
10,000 years.
yeah, has been transformed.